Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and this plant is an iris, and I'm intentionally showing it to you when it is not in bloom because while it does bloom some, the main reason I like to use this is more for the upright texture. We will use this if we have a narrow bed, maybe one that's about a foot wide, and we want a little bit taller plant, but one that doesn't grow out. So, for instance, you can see this particular iris. It's gotten to about 3 feet tall, maybe just a hair taller, but it's not 3 feet wide. So if you have one of those really tricky narrow beds that you want some height and you want a little bit of texture to it, this is a really good plant to use. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please share them with your friends and family and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also subscribe to our quick tip emails. Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.